right, guys, welcome to Coopersville, Michigan, where there's a huge car show going on today, and I'm going to take you on a tour around. Just sit back, enjoy the music, enjoy the ride. Let's go see what we can find, as my buddy would say. Let's go see the old cars, some custom cars, some rat rods, and things like that. Just sit back, relax. Let's go see what we can find. It's a marathon, it says. Checker marathon. Yeah, that's what I'm doing for you too. Yep. And we can talk because I have to get all this music out of the background anyway, so yeah, that's a All right, guys, so I'm back here in Coopersville, Michigan. This is the tractor display section here. They take their tractors pretty serious here in Western Michigan, as agriculture is a huge part of their economy. We have some John Deeres over here, some Fords. I'm sure there's some international harvesters around here someplace as well. Just thought I would spotlight them a little bit since I'm doing the video. But here in Coopersville, Michigan, come on down, check out the car show sometime. It's hot today, so I'm doing the best I can. I'm not a summer person, but I am wearing my Tommy Boy shirt, Callahan Auto Parts, straight out of Sandusky, Ohio. Continue to sit back and enjoy the content, guys. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. The more that you do, the more content I can provide. I'm still on the road to 1,000, so if you can help me out, I'm a small channel. We'll see you soon.
right down here is the end of it. So we'll go to the end of it and come back.
All right, guys, so let me know what you think. And don't forget to smash that like and subscribe button. Comment down below.